Hey YouTube, this is a video of my new pit bike. It's a Honda CRF 70. It's in really good condition. And yeah, it's really cool because it doesn't have coilover suspension, but it has decent suspension. You can see right there. So it's not like a like coilover like this bike. As it kind of goes down, it compresses, so it's kind of like hydraulic suspension. The front has just shocks as usual, and it has instead of disc brakes, it has drum brakes. And for a 70cc dirt bike, it's really fun, and it's cool to have as like a pit bike. And yeah, so this bike is really nice because it's almost brand new, and I bought it for $300. I plan on making a lot of videos with this, like pit bike adventures, and just like I have a cabin, so cabin adventures on this little bike. Even though I have a big bike, I like this too, just basically just screwing around. And yeah, it's super nice. It's honestly like, it's a 2005, but you can tell by the casing, it's really close to new. Yeah, it's a 4-stroke, so it's got the key. But yeah, okay. The other thing is it doesn't have a clutch. It's semi-automatic, so it's still it shifts, but it has so you're riding, you let off the gas, and then just do that, and then just keep going. And yeah, so 1 up is first, 1 up is second, 1 up is third, and then all the way down is neutral. So, and then you got the kill switch. You got it's a stock bike, but I'm gonna make some upgrades on it. I plan on getting a better exhaust pipe and stuff like that. But yeah, it's really nice for $300. And yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, it's pretty quiet. I love it. I don't even know if you can hear me because of the wind, but it goes way faster than this, but I'm just cruising so you can hear me. There's some really nice trails. I mean, yeah, it's just a fun little pit bike, just to have adventures on and stuff. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you.